Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to farm a lot of coins using the snow sculpting hobby in the winter event in Heartopia. First, make sure your snow sculpting hobby is already unlocked. If you don't know how to activate it yet, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions to watch the full tutorial. And then now the trick is simple, just crafting as many snow sculptures as possible on here. And then don't just let them sit in your inventory because they will quickly fill up your bag or your inventory. Instead, just go to NPC Albert. Just go to NPC Albert and then just sell it to him. Like this, just sell it all. And then just tap on sell. And okay, like this. All snow sculpture that you made can be sold to him for gold coin like that. And the more sculptures that you produce, the more coins that you will get. And then you can use these coins to buy other items like clothes or furniture or other materials or even needs. And okay, that's it. An easy way to turn your winter hobby into profit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.